Hey guys, hey, it's Mr. Lindy here, and today we're going to go over writing decimals in expanded form. So, a lot of you remember from chapter 1 when we did expanded form, and I had, say, 357, and I had to make it into a problem, and you went 3 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 7 times 1, and that is the expanded form of 357. Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some decimal places in there. And the decimal places make it a little bit more tricky, but it's not going to be that bad. So let's take a look. All right, so my number here, it says 35 and 268 thousandths. So now I have to write this in expanded form. So once again, you just start off with the farthest on the left, the number. So that's 3, and it's in the tens place. So we have 3 times 10 plus, now we go to 5, and it's in the ones place. So it's times 1, and you plus. Now here's where we get into the decimals. You got to know that this is in the tenths place. So we'll have 2 times 1/10, because it's in the tenths place, plus the next one is a 6. We have 6, and it's in the hundredths place, so times 100th, plus, and the last one is 8 times, and it's in the thousandths place. So that's one way you can do it. Another way, just going to write it in red, is you can do the same thing with the 3, so 3 times 10 plus 5 times 1 plus, now if you want to make a decimal form, you go 2 times 0.1, which is 1/10, plus 6 times 0.01, which is 100th, plus 8 times 0.001, which is 1,000. Top and bottom, same exact thing. You can notice the decimals and fractions. They are the same thing, just two different ways to write it. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Let's look at the next one. All right, this one. 324 and 789 thousandths. Notice that I say thousandths because that's the last number right here. So that's the last occupied place value. So let's try it out. So we have a 3. The 3's in the hundredths place. So 3 times 100 plus, when we go to the 2, that's 2 times 10, plus, we go to this 4, and the 4's in the ones place, plus, now into the decimals. 7 times 1/10. I like to use the fraction way. Either way is okay. 8 times 100. And then finally the 9, and that's 9 times 1/1,000. Okay? If you guys remember how to do the other ones, all it is was we're learning 3 new positions to go along with our decimal place, or our decimals chapter. Okay? Last one. I put through a couple zeros in there. If you want to give it a try, pause it. If not, here you go. This one we'll do in green. So start with 4. You have 4 times, and it's in the hundreds place, so 4 times 100. Plus, there's nothing there, so I'm not even going to write it in there. You don't have to write 0 times anything. And then there's a 5, and it's in the ones place, so I'm going to take 5 times 1. Plus, notice there's nothing in the tenths place, so I'm going to skip that. Then I'm going to have 8 times 100th. And then finally finish it off with a 3 times 1,000. Okay, same thing here is if I added all this together, you would look at it, if I've worked it out, it'd be 400 plus 5 plus 8 hundredths. It'd be like this, plus 3 thousandths. Then we go 405, and then over here, if I change these two decimals, it would be 0.08 and 0.003 it'd be 0.083, just like the top number up there. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. We'll have one of these or a few of these to check out. Hope this helps you out. Have a good one. See ya.